I'm gonna wake you up early, cause I'm gonna take a ride with you. We're going down to the Honda shop, I'll tell you what we're gonna do. Put on a ragged sweatshirt, I'll take you anywhere you want me to. First gear, it's alright. Second gear, a lean right. Third gear, hang on tight. It's alright. It's not a big motorcycle, just a groovy little motorbike. It's more fun than a barrel of monkeys that two-wheel fight. We'll ride on out of the town to any place I know you like.